Meanwhile, Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds has now filed a motion requesting the district court lift the injunction on the state's fetal heartbeat law. Back in 2018, the legislation passed and Reynolds signed a law outlawing abortion at 6 weeks. That's when a baby's heartbeat could be detected. A Polk County District Court judge struck down that law based on a previous ruling that said there was a fundamental right to abortion. The Iowa Supreme Court has now overruled that ruling, and Reynolds has now asked the court to lift the injunction on her fetal heartbeat law.